In this podcast, we look at 5 tips for when you next use PowerPoint. Using PowerPoint when you next have to give a presentation doesn't have to be a chore. Your decision to use PowerPoint is fine. It's a useful tool for the job. But, like all good Office tools, there are some simple guidelines for using PowerPoint effectively. Here are 5 simple PowerPoint presentation tips to help you get the most from your next PowerPoint presentation. Number 1. Content. Ensure that your PowerPoint content is relevant for your audience. You can check its relevancy with audience research or insights into the industry or market which your audience represents. Number 2. Rehearse. You must be familiar with your PowerPoint material, its context and timing. Once you are familiar with your PowerPoint slides, you will appear more natural. Remember to build a structure to your presentation, know the facts and figures that you quote. Number 3. Eye contact. Eye contact is so important when you present, but PowerPoint tempts you into reading your notes or thinking that an audience is interested in reading a bullet list. They aren't. They want to listen to you and become engaged with you and your content. Number 4. Look at your audience. Whatever happens, don't be tempted to read from the presentation slide screen. Not only do you turn your back on your audience, but you also appear less knowledgeable. Number 5. Take some questions. A well-built PowerPoint slide deck should allow you to hold a slot for questions before you reach your conclusion. Use a blank slide while you hold your question and answer session. You can also refer to supplementary slides if you feel they add something to an answer. Using PowerPoint is an effective way to deliver your next presentation. These 5 tips should help you do that.